In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instapage to Shopify. We'll use Zapier to automate what happens when someone submits a form on your Instapage landing page so that data flows straight into your Shopify store without manual copy and paste. First, head over to Zapier and click Create Zap. This opens a blank automation. Think of a zap as a chain reaction. A trigger starts it and an action finishes it. We'll start by setting Instapage as the trigger app. Search for Instapage, then choose the trigger called New Form Submission. This tells Zapier to fire every time a visitor fills out your Instapage form. Connect your Instapage account to Zapier when prompted. Approve the connection so Zapier can read your published pages and form submissions. If you don't see any test data yet, publish your page and submit the form once yourself to generate a sample. Then, pick the correct Instapage form in the drop-down so Zapier knows exactly which page to watch. Next, choose Shopify as the action app. Connect your Shopify store by signing in and approving access. Now decide what you want Zapier to do in Shopify. The most common choice is to create or update a customer, which is great for lead capture and email follow-up. If your workflow involves instant purchases or invoicing, you can choose to create an order instead. For most list-building use cases, create/update customer is the safest because it prevents duplicates by matching on email. Now it's time to map your fields. Take the Instapage form fields, like first name, last name, email, and phone, and map them to the matching Shopify customer fields. If your Instapage form collects a full name, consider mapping given and family names separately if you have them, or put the full name into the first name field and leave last name blank if that's your only option. You can also add tags or a note in Shopify to mark where the lead came from, which makes segmentation easier later. Be sure to map email carefully, since it's the key field for identifying returning customers. With mapping done, click Test. Zapier will send a sample submission to Shopify. Check your Shopify admin to confirm the new or updated customer or the order looks correct. If something's off, adjust your field mapping and test again. When everything looks good, give your Zap a clear name, turn it on, and you're done. From now on, every new form submission on Instapage will flow straight into Shopify automatically. You can monitor runs in Zapier's task history and refine mappings as your forms evolve.